For those of you joining us now here on this tile installations, we have just put down a 36-inch by 36-inch, 3 feet by 3 foot tile here in the GTA Toronto, Vaughan Woodbridge area. If you noticed our videos before and middle and after of our project, you would see the effects of the dry pack and middle stages of half of it tiled, and now it's totally completed in our whole project here. Hopefully you like it. This is a nice Caligata type of tile. We also have done 4 feet by 2 feet. So this is what we do past 30 plus years. I'm just going to go into here. We have the bathroom, a laundry room. So as you saw, some of our installation processes on how we install the right way. Make sure that the tile underneath has a lot of thin set, full tile, so there's no gaps, and the tile will stay long, and corners won't chip or break. So give us a call at 416-937-8115. We'll gladly come and give you a price and lead you the right way of installations. So as you can see, this all looks like a nice sheet of glass, nice marble type floor, even though it's porcelain. So I'm just going to do a walkabout. Basically there's about 4 or 5, maybe even 6 different patterns on the floor. And just got to sort of blend them in. They're not book matched. A lot of people think they are, but you know, underneath in the back of the tile, they have no arrows or anything really, because the manufacturer just wants to show you that it's not a book match type of floor, so you don't have to go crazy on the tile installations and trying to match. So again, here there's definitely dry pack. This is how we do all our floors. It's a dry mix. Basically it's concrete sand and Portland, where you mix it in a damp application, not liquid form. Self-leveling liquid is not going to work. Check out our other videos on how we do the dry pack before we lay any type of tile. So again, just give us a call at 416-937-8115, and we'll get started on your project. So commercial, residential, this is the way to go. Any type of size tile, bathroom, showers, commercial and residential. So basically here you can see at this end we have a little bit more on dry pack. It's laser leveled compared to the other side where the kitchen was. So the homeowner is basically gonna put the plywood, get this floor all nice and flush, and gonna look fine-tuned and perfect. Again, I'm gonna let you go. Look forward to seeing you in other videos on all our type of installations. Take care and give us a call at 416-937-8115.